Today I have filed nomination in the inner parliament constituency. I feel a bit emotional, and I really feel proud also because there's only one step left to go inside the system. Because I want to check what is going on, because from last many months the Manipur is burning, and we don't know what is happening, and the people are in pain now, and so I just want to know. We just want to know what is going inside the system, and for that, only one step left to go inside the system. That's I'm waiting for that, because Manipur is burning now. We cannot check for another development works or another thing, because we have to focus only one thing, that we have to put the water on this burning fire. That's the main thing. No,
Can
there
you
is
show the
not an
general
all
public?
there is not an all alliance actually in Northeast, and it is yeah it is there is a coalition and a coalition. But as you know, as I'm National Secretary of the Republican Party of India, I was talking for the last 10 months regarding the failure of the BJP double engine government. I was shouting from last 10 months. To whom I was shouting? I was shouting to this men to the BJP government as well as to the opposition, because this is not a time to play politics. This is not a time to play cheap politics. This is not a time to spread the propaganda. This is time to save our motherland, because my motherland is burning now. We have to focus only that in that issue. Apart from that, we are not going to enter in the cheap propaganda and cheap politics matter. I'm going to enter because this is the first step, and the only one step left to go inside the system. And I want to go inside the system, and I want to check our state Manipur is burning from last 10 months. It's not only for 1 or 2 days. It's been the 10, 11 months. It is going to be 1 year also. And so if it is happened for 1, 2 days, that can be negotiable, but it is happening from last 11 months. That I want to check inside the system that what is going on inside, because I was shouting from outside the door. I want to go inside the room, and I want to check what is going on inside.
Because you have been working.
Public only send me here actually, so they gave me blessings. My Manipuri mother, father, brothers, sisters, they only send me here. So it is my duty to respect their views and opinions. And so I'm not any confused in election, because they only send me here. So it is their my mother father, sister responsibility to send inside the room also. It is their responsibility, and it is my duty to fulfill their dreams also. RPI, as you know, I'm the National Secretary of the Republican Party of India, Thawale. I was representing the party also. Actually, I was shouting and I was raising the voice against the government, as you know, as you have seen before. I was not out of the party. I was inside the party and shouting. That clearly shows that no one can stop me. No one to raise the voice against the failure of the government. I'm just contesting this election to raise the voice and to change what was happening from last many months, both from the ruling and opposition side.